whether you should hold or whether you should sell straight away. Let's go. Your boy's name is Jam Got Kicks. You already know anything sneaker related, this is what I do. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, you want to know if you can hold these or sell these straight up? They're gonna rise in price for defo. I'm gonna say straight up, this is gonna be a hold for 6 months to a year. Hey, it's gonna be the long haul. It's not gonna be anything quick, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you, because there's restocks coming in, there's delayed shipments, so you already know the Foot Locker in America gonna be Champs, JD, if you already know. Here, UK, SNS, and all these other raffles, they're all getting them in now. So the price is gonna decrease from what it is now, and it's about, let me check, man. That's 10 UK, my size is going for, oh! What? Bruv, you can get it for £252 on StockX. Right now, my size, I paid $255. That means the price is dropping. Oh, my days, bruv. I know I'm getting a little bit gas, sorry about this. If I had the most peas in the world right now, which equals money, I would buy loads and hold them for 6 months to a year. Because if you look at the Bred colorways, 2016 pair, I swear they're going for at least a K and above. They're going for a lot of money. And then you gotta look at the other paintings. Don't just look at the Bred itself, look at the paintings itself. UNC colorway, bro, that's in women's sizing, you know what I'm saying? That's expensive. Then you gotta look at what the Fearless is. They're going for £350, £400. They all go up in price. You gotta look at all the paintings, so you already know these are gonna go up in price. Right now, they're hype. Everyone's gonna see the price drop, basically. The price is gonna drop tremendously, especially with these delayed shipments. Then they're gonna go up. This is for the long haul. 6 months is ambitious, I can't lie to you. 6 months is ambitious. 1 year is correct. 2 years, they're gonna skyrocket. You get what I'm saying? So it's a very slow process, but these are gonna go up in money. If you want a quick flip, do not buy these. If you want a quick flip, do not buy these. I'm not expert in sneaker reselling. I'm not, and I've never done it personally myself, but I do know this is a slow grower, if you get what I mean. It's a slow grower. So if you're patient and you've got the spare peas, equals money, a year plus, and you're gonna make mad money from it, for sure. I know that for sure. Buy it on resale, they'll end up going up to, I don't know, £400, then cash out, bro. And imagine if you buy like 10 pairs. You just, I don't even know the mathematics, but you know what I'm saying? Your money's gonna go up. So that's my view on it. Buy at your own discretion. I'm not gonna take any responsibilities for you guys buying these, and then if they don't go up massively and come back and be like, Jam Got Kicks told me something and you said it was wrong. You know what I'm saying? It is your choice. I'm just giving you guys some information. Whether you take it, whether you don't, it's completely up to you. You are your own person. I cannot pick for you, but I'll give you the information that I got, man. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Comment down below whether you are gonna cop for personal or you're gonna cop for resale. Let me know in the comments. God bless, spread peace, and do not hate on people, man. And Jam Got Kicks is out, man. Peace.